Most marriages don't end with a dramatic fight. They don't end with one big moment you can point to and say, that was it. Most marriages end with silence, with small moments of disconnection that nobody addressed, with two people slowly becoming strangers while still sharing the same bed. And the scariest part? The signs were there long before anyone said the word separation. So stay until the end, because the fifth sign will shock you the most. The first silent sign: you stopped talking about the future together. You used to make plans, dreams you were building as a team, and somewhere along the way, those conversations quietly stopped. Now there's just an awkward silence where excitement used to live. The second sign: arguments stopped too. And that's not a good thing. The real red flag is when the fighting stops, not because things got better, but because you stopped caring enough to try. Silence is not always peace. The third sign: you've started living parallel lives. Same house, different worlds. You stopped being curious about each other, and curiosity is the foundation of a lasting marriage. When it goes, something essential goes with it. The fourth sign: physical touch became transactional or disappeared entirely. Not just intimacy, the small things, the hand held while walking, the touch on the shoulder. When those fade, the emotional distance is already deep. The fifth sign: you've started imagining your life alone, and it doesn't frighten you anymore. If you have sat quietly and pictured life without this marriage and felt relief instead of grief, that feeling is your heart trying to tell you the truth. Now, recognizing these signs does not mean your marriage is over. It means your marriage is asking for attention, right now. The marriages that survive are not the ones without problems. They are the ones where at least one person was brave enough to say, something is wrong here, and I am not willing to lose us. If that person needs to be you, be that person. Choose your marriage out loud before the silence chooses for you. Comment silent below if any of these signs felt familiar. Share this with a woman who needs to hear it today. And follow Coach Excellent for more truth every single week.